Today we've got the Epomaker TH108 Pro, a full-size tri-mode mechanical keyboard that comes packed with features including a smart display, side lighting, a large 10,000 mAh battery, and multiple connectivity options. On paper, it looks like one of those keyboards that tries to offer a little bit of everything, but specifications only tell part of the story. The real question is how it feels in everyday use, whether the features actually add value, and if it's worth considering over other options in the market. So let's find out. Right out of the box, the TH108 Pro comes with everything needed to get started. Inside, there's the keyboard itself, a USB Type-C cable, a keycap and switch puller, 2 extra switches, a user manual, and a brand card with QR codes for the software, PDF manual, and Discord support server. The keyboard is available in 3 color options: black, gray, white, blue, and pink. The unit we got impressed is the white-blue version, and it definitely has a clean and modern look. One thing that immediately stands out is the side RGB lighting, which adds a nice touch without being overly flashy. Build quality also feels solid. Weighing around 1.12 kilograms and measuring 445 by 140 by 42 millimeters, it has a sturdy presence on the desk. It doesn't feel cheap or hollow, and that's always a good sign for a full-size mechanical keyboard. The TH108 Pro uses a full-size 104-key layout, which means you get the numpad and all dedicated function keys. For anyone who works with spreadsheets, data entry, or simply prefers a traditional layout, that's a big advantage. Another feature worth mentioning is the 2-level adjustable kickstand at the rear, allowing typing angles of 6, 8, and 10.5 degrees. It gives users some flexibility in finding a comfortable typing position. Then there's the smart TFT display and side-mounted knob. Unlike many keyboards where the knob sits in the top right corner, Epomaker places it on the right side of the keyboard. It's a small design choice, but it makes the keyboard look cleaner and more unique. The display shows useful information like battery status, time, and RGB settings. Although if you've used previous Epomaker keyboards with screens, this may not feel like a major upgrade. As a tri-mode keyboard, the TH108 Pro supports USB wired, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth connectivity. Switching between modes is simple thanks to the dedicated mode selector. Performance numbers are respectable as well. It offers a 1000 Hz polling rate in both wired and 2.4 GHz modes, while Bluetooth runs at 125 Hz. Latency is rated at around 2 milliseconds in wired mode, 5 milliseconds in 2.4 GHz mode, and 11 milliseconds over Bluetooth, making it suitable for both productivity and gaming. Battery life is another strong point. The massive 10,000 mAh battery is significantly larger than what many keyboards offer, meaning frequent charging shouldn't be a concern for most users. The keyboard is available with Epomaker Creamy Jade switches or Sea Salt Silent V2 switches, depending on preference. Combined with the 5-layer gasket-mounted structure, the typing experience feels cushioned and refined while helping reduce unwanted noise and vibration. RGB customization is equally straightforward. Pressing FN Plus insert cycles through the available RGB lighting effects, while FN Plus up arrow and FN Plus down arrow adjust brightness levels. Effect speed can be modified using FN Plus right arrow to increase speed, and FN Plus left arrow to slow it down. For those who prefer a static color, FN Plus delete switches to single color lighting modes. The keyboard logo lighting can be toggled with FN Plus end, and the side RGB light strips can be turned on or off using FN Plus home, which is a nice option for anyone who prefers a cleaner look or finds the extra lighting distracting. Overall, the Epomaker TH108 Pro delivers a strong combination of features, solid wireless performance, excellent battery life, and a comfortable typing experience. The smart display may not be a game-changing addition for existing Epomaker users, and the full-size layout will naturally take up more desk space. But for those looking for a feature-packed full-size mechanical keyboard, it makes a compelling case. That's it for today. Now we'd love to hear from you. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.